Hello, welcome to Software Design. I want to teach you how we design this church flyer. As you can see from here, this is the whole view, and then you can see the lights popping up here, and then the information. So don't hesitate to work with me. Let's design it all over again. So from here we'll extract some of the resources from this design because I just finished it. So now let's go. So now you come here, you see we came to where the folder is. This is the background and the other resources. We'll copy them and take it back into our project. Then we will now paste it here. Click paste. Then let's resolve. Let's adjust them one after another. Then select all, scale them, reduce them one side. Then create your own rectangle. That is your portrait view, like this, using a rectangle like this. Then pick the background and then right click and then drag it inside. Once you show that cross-like view, then allow it, then power click inside, double click to go inside, and then press Z on your keyboard to zoom through. We are just using these nodes like this. You drag them using these nodes. And then the next thing we'll go with this. We want to pick this, and then it's not showing because it's behind that object. So you simply press shift page up to bring it up like this. Bring it up. Make your readjustments. Make the readjustments to achieve it. Select it, then use this shape tool here to adjust these nodes like this. Adjust these nodes. And then please, you can comment, come to the comment section, just comment so that I can share you the resources you want to practice along with us. Let's adjust it. I'll make the adjustment notable like this. And then next, what first comes to our mind is we'll drag this down a bit by double click, and then we'll type it light or light in darkness. We are not seeing it because it's not in white. Let's adjust it. We'll come. This is your type to your text to select or press F8, and then you see, select it, and then write light in, then press enter, then write light in darkness, like this. Then select all by pressing Ctrl A, press Shift F3, then select uppercase, okay, Ctrl E to centralize it. Then let's look for a font. First let's use Bebas down here. The font we use, then Ctrl K to break. Then next the lights, Ctrl K again to break in between the light and in, and then select the light. From here, let's use Monument for the font. Press enter. You see how widespread. That's the essence of us using that particular font. Then we adjust it, scale it to this point like this. And then with this font, we'll now use, there's a font called Jesse font, Jesse MS4. Press it and then drag it. We want it to fit in between like this, and then this in will be here. We'll use it very soon. You select this, and then we want to use gold and yellow. Gold here, select gold, then use this interactive fit tool here to now match up your gold. Let's add a small yellow to it like this. Press F4 on your keyboard straight. This F4 here, want to give it an outline 4, and then from here click scale, and then click this checkbox. Okay, then right click on any color. Remember, right click like this, and then you see how it comes out. This is it, and then select it and then try to turn it using triangle so that it will blend a bit. And then select this in from here. Then let's press Ctrl on your keyboard, hold, then select the red color in here. Carry this inside. Press Shift F4 from here, drag it upwards, and then you see the in. I just select any font of your choice. We'll use, but let's not use it in caps lock. Let's use it in title case like this. So from here, select the outline. Let's give the outline also white like this. As you can see, let's drag it up a bit, and then from here let's reduce it downwards. You are not seeing it because it's behind. Remember, still press shift page up, sorry. Select this, remove the outline so that you remove this black out from here. Remove the outline, and then we are getting closer and closer. We've gotten it. Then secondly, let's go to this light you are seeing here, where it is. Now we have gotten the light. So from this light here, let's select it and take it back to our project. Then let's paste here. This is the light. Let's shift it away a bit, readjust it. This is the readjustment. Then you now select this light, come to the transparency tool. This transparency tool here, click on it, and then from here, this drop down section, select it. You see screen, come here, onto screen, click on it, and then it has successfully removed that black. Then bring it up. You notice something that it doesn't. Let's reduce this a bit. And then you can see how best fits it aligns in, and then click on the shape to just adjust it. The essence of doing that is very important, because when you are exporting, it doesn't export outside the rectangle. The main artboard doesn't export outside. So again, this is the symbol for the drop down section for to indicate your venue. So now you can just, this text here, which you can just type your text basically, and inside this particular image here, this power click, these images you see here, they are downloaded images from Pinterest. You can also download any image of your choice and include them there, and then you can also type this. And also bring in your project. That's all, and thank you and welcome to this particular tutorial. And if you love this tutorial, please endeavor to give us your comments. Let's hear your comments in our comment section. Thank you, and hope to see you